Today I'm going to be showing you CoverGirl Eye Enhancers Eyeshadow Kit. This particular type of eyeshadow is called Negative Space. They do have a variety of different colors. So this one is Negative Space, but they also have Al Fresco, Country Woods, Sheerly Nudes, Urban Basics. Each version comes with 4 different eyeshadows, and I like that because you essentially get more bang for your buck. When we open up this product, we see what the eyeshadows look like on the inside, and then there's a brush that comes with it. I find the brush to be a little bit too small for me to do my eyes. Like, I prefer having something with like a longer stick, but it's great when you want to carry this on a plane with you, or just in your purse and you want to touch up your eyeshadow, and it's really convenient to just have this stored inside the eyeshadow box, and you can do your eyes. I've really taken advantage of like this color and this color. Like, those are the 2 colors that I like the most. I like my eyes to really pop when I do them. And I've definitely gotten a few cases of this eyeshadow. Overall, this is a really amazing product, and I highly recommend it to others.